Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Marcel here from Tyger Auto, and today we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to install our LanderX tube on a 2022 Chevy Silverado. So unlike the original Landers, the LanderXs are not your classic drop step. They've been redesigned utilizing a carbon steel tubing and an extra wide 5-inch step. Now these are great if you have a lifted application or if you've got kids and you want them to get in and out of the vehicle without a problem. This is the step for you. Now the best part is that we've gone ahead and raised these steps an additional 2 inches to offer more ground clearance when you're out there on the trail. So without further ado, let's get this project going and get these steps installed. Before we begin, check to make sure that all the parts and hardware are accounted for. Head under the vehicle to follow the instruction to identify the 4 installation locations along the back side of the rocker panel. Keep in mind that different vehicle fitments come with different numbers of brackets and hardware that may look the same. Always reference the instructions to be sure that you're on the right track. Now, since the 4 brackets on each side are identical for the Chevy, go ahead and install the other 3. After all the brackets are mounted, grab the LanderX tube and mount them to the brackets with the combo bolts. Look for the L on the underside of the tube marking the left side of the vehicle and the R for the right side of the vehicle. Now adjust the step before tightening all the hardware. Once you're happy with the way it looks, do the same install for the LanderX on the other side, and you're all done. Hey, stay connected with us by liking, subscribing, and turning on our notifications, and support our channel so we can bring you guys more exclusive Tyger content.